In this video, I will show you how to create a snapshot in GoHighLevel. To do this, first is going to sign in to GoHighLevel and go to your agency dashboard. Now, if you don't have a GoHighLevel account yet, you can claim an extended 30-day free trial through the link down in the description. Now, once you are in your agency dashboard, what you want to go and do is go to Account Snapshots. From here, there are a few sections. So you have My Snapshots, Imported Snapshots, Shared Snapshots, and Templates. So they already have some templates for different types of businesses. But if you want to create your own, just go to My Snapshots. And then you can click How do I sell snapshots if you want to sell them. And then here you will get a step-by-step. But in order to just create a snapshot that you can also share with other people, you just want to click on Create New Snapshot right here. Then give it a name, so it can be a specific business type or, for example, for SaaS. And then select which sub-account you want to pick. Now, in a second, I'll explain that further. But for example, if I want to do this one, then I'll click Gym Sports Bar and then click Next. Now, for the snapshot right here, you can see a list of assets linked with this sub-account. For example, custom fields, it has 28, conversation AI, it doesn't have, it has 2 pipelines and all of that right here. So then you can just click create and then it will create the snapshot. So if you're now going to refresh the page, you will now see the snapshot right here. And now you can also share it with people, so you can click on the 3 dots right here and then click share snapshot, and then you can get a permanent link, one-time share, or any of these other ones. So it can also be for the marketplace, and then you have created that snapshot. If you want to update it, you can also click push update to linked sub-accounts and refresh snapshot. Now, if you're wondering how that works with these sub-accounts, you just want to go into sub-accounts right here and then click add sub-account and just create a sub-account. And the goal for this sub-account is to just set up all the templates that you want to share in the snapshot. So set up any websites, workflows, automations, stuff like that. And then that will be transferred into the snapshot if you create it using the method I showed earlier. So that's how to create a snapshot in GoHighLevel. Now again, if you would like to claim an extended 30-day free trial for GoHighLevel, you can sign up through the link down in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.